Shami kebab is a local variety of kebab, originating from the Indian subcontinent. It is made of a small patty of minced meat, generally beef, but occasionally lamb, mutton or chicken with ground chickpeas, egg to hold it together, and specific spices. The name of the dish probably derives from the word sham, which means dinner and night in Persian. The name Shami kebab may also refer to Bilad al-Sham, modern Syria, as many cooks from that region migrated to the wealthy Mughal Empire of South Asia during the Middle Ages. We present here Shami kebabs made from lamb mince. They can be used as a snack, sandwich filling, burger patty, or accompany a dinner. Enjoy it with tomato ketchup. Look up our recipe for homemade ketchup. Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. This recipe will make 12 kebabs. If you have scaled the recipe to a different quantity, or adjusted the chili levels, then please use those quantities. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. Take 400 grams of lamb mince in a pan. Add 3/4 cup of split chickpeas that you have already soaked for at least an hour. Add 1½ cup of water. Add roughly cut 2-inch piece of ginger. Add roughly cut 2 cloves of garlic. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 2 split open black cardamoms. Add 4 cloves. Add about a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Stir to mix well. On medium heat, bring to a boil and cover to let cook. After about 20 minutes, check that the lentils are tender. If the lentils are tender, then let the water evaporate. Turn over occasionally. Once the water is dry, remove it from the stove and let it cool. Remove the bigger pieces of spices. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of mixed Indian spice. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Mix well and add the chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and add 2 chopped green chilies. Add 1 finely sliced medium onion. Mix well. Use a food chopper to mix and chop the mixture. Make into a fine paste. Put some oil on your hands and make medium-sized patties. This should make 12 patties. If unsure, divide the contents into 12 before proceeding. Heat oil on medium heat in a frying pan. Dip the patties in a well-beaten egg and carefully put in the oil. Fry till golden brown. Turn over as the kebab turn golden brown. Enjoy with tomato ketchup. Look up our tomato ketchup recipe.